Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic is digital logic gate and XOR gate. Till now, you learn about Boolean algebra theorems, Boolean, how to represent Boolean expressions, right? Now, those Boolean expressions we have to convert into digital circuits. Okay, so those circuits are designed using digital logic gates. Okay, digital logic gates. So what is logic gate? Logic gate is a digital circuit which performs Boolean operations. Okay, which perform Boolean operations. So Boolean operations are what? And, or, and not. So these three operations can be performed using basic logic gates. So let us learn, see in detail about those things. So, Boolean algebra applied in computer electronics. These circuits perform Boolean operation. These are called logic circuits or logic gates. Okay. So, a gate is a operates on one or more inputs and produce only single output. Means gate circuit logic gate has only one output and inputs are many. Okay. So inputs are denoted either 0 or 1. Okay. Output also either 0 or 1. Okay. There are three basic types. What are the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate? Okay. Let us learn about AND gate. What is AND gate? AND gate is a digital circuit which performs AND operation. So what is AND operation? Output is high when all inputs are high. Okay, AND gate can take more than two inputs, two or more inputs. Okay, and produce one output. Here is the symbol of AND gate. Okay, it looks like a D. Okay, write a D and inputs. If I want three input AND gate, you have to draw like this. 1, 2, 3. If I want four inputs, 4. If I want five inputs, 5. Okay, because AND gate can perform two or more input, can take two or more inputs but only one output. Okay, for suppose for two variables I am using AND gate. This one I want three variables a, b, c. Okay, this is one. Okay, a, b, c, this is one AND gate. Output is a, b and c. Inputs are a, b, c. I want A, B, C, D also. Okay, now put one more input. So we get A, B, C, D. Okay, like that we have to draw the AND gates based on this expression. This is AND expression, right? A, B, C, D. If I have only two input AND gates, okay, I have only two input AND gates, but expression is A, B, C, D. What we have to do? First perform AND operation for these two. Okay, and another AND operation for these two, because I have only two input AND gates. So A, B, okay, A, B, C, D. And what we have to do? And these both are also AND operations. See, so take another AND gate. Okay, here A, B, C, D, right? The output of this AND gate is AB, right? This one CD. Okay, now the output is given to input. This output is given to input. So answer will be A, B, C, D. So this is one AND gate. 4 input AND gates. A, B, C, D. Okay. So the basic AND gate truth table. Let us see. So what is the AND gate? AND gate perform AND operation. So when both inputs are high, then only output is high. When both inputs are high, output is high. Otherwise, 0. Okay. Next, OR gate. Sorry, AND gate IC. Let us see the AND gate IC. AND gate IC number is 7408. Remember, 74 series are called digital ICs. 74 series means IC number start with 74 are digital ICs. Okay, digital ICs. Remember this one. 74 series are okay 08. So 7408 means 08 represents AND gate. Okay. So it is a 14 pin IC. It consists of 14 pins. So DIP means dual inline package. Dual inline package. Dual inline package means the pins are equally distributed to left and right. So it is 14 pins. So 7 pins are left and 7 pins are right. Okay. So first pin and second pin is input. Third pin is output. So it is one AND gate. See how the internal circuit is available. This is the internal circuit. Next 4, 5, 6. 4, 5 are input and sixth one is output. 4, 5 are input, sixth one is output. Seventh one is ground. Next 10, 9, 8. 9 and 10 are input, 8 is output. So AND gate I am giving input and output at 8th pin. Next 13, 12, 11. So 12, 13 are inputs, 11 is output. So this is the internal structure. So 11 output, 12, 13 inputs. Okay. 14th pin is power supply. This is the internal structure. So in single IC, it consists of 4 AND gates, 2 input AND gates. So first 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 AND gates. Next, how to find out the numbering? Generally, in your notes only, we can provide numbers 1, 2, 3. But while seeing IC, there is no numbers available. You have to only give numbers. So how you give numbers to IC, which is first pin? By observing this symbol. Dot symbol is available. If dot symbol is available, from that side, the first pin will be starts. Okay. Or else, if U shape is available like this, for U shape left side, we have to start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from bottom to top. See, after 7, from bottom to top, we have to go to numbering 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, this is the AND gate IC. Next, OR gate. OR gate means OR gate performs OR operation, means any one of the input is 1, output is 1. So OR gate also similar, it can take 2 or more outputs, sorry, 2 or more inputs and a single output. This is the symbol of OR gate. Suppose I want 3 variable, means you can write directly 3 variable OR gate like this, 1 2 3, okay. Or else using 2 variable you want to get OR gate. What is the 3 variable OR gate expression? A plus B plus C. This is the 3 variable OR gate expression. If I want this 3 variable using 2 variable AND gate, sorry, 2 variable OR gate, see, I am writing taking 2 variables, means 2 OR gates. I want 2 OR gates because this is 1 and this is 2. For first, write A plus B for first OR gate, A plus B, and the output of first OR gate is given to input of second OR gate, okay, and C. This becomes A plus B plus C, okay. Digital logic gates. This is directly we can use 3 input OR gate. If I give only 2 input OR gates, use 2 OR gates, 1 and 2, to implement 3 variable OR operation, okay. Suppose I given 4 variable, means 1 2 3 4, okay, 4 variable out. So whatever based on variables you can use, means whatever outputs or whatever inputs. Here I require 2, 1 2. Based on our operation you can do any number of gates, okay. Truth table, when any one of the input is high, output is high. Next IC number is 7432, okay. For OR gate IC number is 7432, and structure is same as AND gate. So 14 pins, 1 to 7, 7 to 4, 1 to 7 and 8 to 14. Only number is changed, 32. Remaining all are same. See, 1 and 2 are inputs, third is output. 4 and 5 are inputs, 6 is output. 7th is ground, 14th is VCC. Next 13 and 12 are inputs, 11 is output, okay. 9 and 10 are inputs, 8 is output. Same similar as AND gate. So OR gate IC also similar, but symbol is this one. Remember the symbol, difference between AND and OR. See here the bend is available, like curve is available, but AND gate it is straight line. For OR gate there is a bend, remember, okay. Next OR NOT gate. So NOT gate performs complement operation, or NOT operation, means input is 0 means output is 1. So it is a single input single output gate. So it is also known as inverter. The symbol is triangle with bubble, okay. Truth table, 0 1, if I give 0 output is 1, if I give 1 output is 0, okay. Internal structure and IC, it is also a 14 pin IC. IC number is 7404. Okay. So 1 to 7, 8 to 14. So it consists of 6 inverters, means 6 NOT gate. Single IC can consist of 6 NOT gate. So 1 and 2. 1 input, 2 output. 3 input, 4 output. 5 input, 6 output. And seventh one is ground. Similarly, 9 input, 8 output. 11 input, 8 output. 13 input, 12 input. Sorry, 13 input, 12 output. 14 is PCC. Okay, this is NOT gate. So NOT gate means used for complement. For example, I want X bar. So use NOT gate. X bar, X is input, X bar is output. Okay. Suppose I want X bar Y. So X bar Y means here dot is available, right? Means it is AND gate. So I am taking AND gate. So output must be X bar Y, right? So directly give Y. So here we have to give X bar, right? X bar means take NOT gate. So we get X. X, Y, X bar. Okay. For suppose I want X bar plus Y. Here plus is OR operation. Take OR operation. Okay. Here Y. X bar. So to get X bar, add inverter. So X, Y. So we get X bar plus Y. Okay. These are the basic logic gates. Now I want to implement a digital Boolean expression using these three gates. So let us consider one more examples. Okay. See, I want to design a circuit XY plus Z. Okay. XY plus Z means what? Here, what are the circuits we required? One AND gate and one OR gate. Okay, take one AND gate and one OR gate. One OR gate. I am taking one AND gate and one OR gate. For AND gate inputs are what? X, Y. Okay. For OR gate input is Z and XY. One more input is XY. XY is get from AND gate output. Okay. And output. What will be output? XY plus Z. Okay. Suppose I want XY plus Z whole bar. Then what is the circuit? This is XY plus Z. So if I use inverter, what happened? I use inverter, then what happens? The circuit xy plus z whole power. We get expression. For suppose I want expression x bar y plus z, then what will be happens? Here we have to use, what is the expression, x bar y plus z. So here I have to use one OR gate, not gate, sorry, not OR. So x here, we getting x bar. So output x bar, okay, xy plus z, okay, x bar yz. Like this, you have to implement circuits using basic gates. So this is the first experiment in your lab. So whatever expression we given, you have to design that circuit using logic gates, whatever expressions. See, example xy plus z. So AND gate, OR gate. Okay, xy plus z. Similarly, whatever expressions we have, you have to learn those things. Okay.